In this video, I'm going to compare an aftermarket Chinese-made large dryer knob for a Whirlpool dryer to the factory approved certified parts from Whirlpool. Take them out of the package here, but I just want to show you what we're going to be dealing with. This is the clip that goes inside of the knob stem. So just for reference, this is the part number. I'll have this in the description of the knob. Out of the package, they look identical outside, but inside you can see there are some differences. This one has the original part numbers. Plating is a little bit more uniform here. There's a little spot that's missing here. But the Chinese part, there's a lot of missing chrome, and there's no reference numbers. What I found is that these knobs break. And how they break is that the plastic on the stem cracked. First time I bought a Chinese one, it didn't work hardly at all because it just kept spinning and turning like it was broken, but in fact it wasn't. I got an OEM one that I just showed you. What I noticed was the difference was these clips. This one is black and it fits in here really snugly, and I just tried to pull it out and I couldn't. This one is kind of just steel looking and it comes out really easy. So this clip was just spinning around in here, and it's really weak material compared to the OEM one. And if you'll notice, the construction on these is almost identical, but somehow this original one is stronger material, and it goes in there and stays and is really snug around the actual control timer on the dryer. So this does go into the aftermarket one, but it's loose. I can pull this in and out of here. You notice on this one, the factory one, it's still not coming out. So this one must have some adhesive on it or something. This part, this plastic part here, breaks. Then you can just break all the plastic away and retrieve this OEM's clip that goes in the plastic. And then what you can do, the Chinese knob, you can reuse the clip, stick it in here, and just put a little super glue around it. Let it dry, and it's not going to flop around like that silver piece did. If you don't have a clip, you can get one and just put it in the Chinese knob. The Chinese knobs are like $5, and the original ones are like 20. If you keep breaking these knobs, and they do break, then you may want to consider just getting a clip or reusing the one from your knob. Don't throw your old knob away until you retrieve the clip from the inside. Now you could tell it's kind of having a rough time pulling this out, but once this is broken, this is cracked, then it's a lot easier to take this clip out, and you'll be happy that you did that. So buy the Chinese replacement knob and take this silver clip out and put in a factory clip from your old knob. Run a little super glue in there and it won't move, and you're good to go.